Okay, you guys, this is Trixie's opinion on Cindy. You think she looks like a monkey? She said, yes, I do. Okay, put her down. Trixie, you think she's a monkey? Yes or no? She said, yes, she is. You think what? You think she stinks, Trixie? That's so rude. You think she smells like dog shit? She said, yes, I do. What? You bet she... Wait, Trixie's telling me something. You bet she is what? Trixie! It's true. Trixie said she bet she's doing herself right now. Because she just... Trixie, quit. Honey. What? Let's blow that picture up, Trixie. Come here, honey. Okay. Here she is. Look. Look at that. That looks like a monkey to you. Oh, Trixie. I love you, Trixie. You like that face, Trixie? She's like, hell no. Look at her face she made when she looked at that. What do you think that looks like, Trixie? She's sniffing her to see if she stinks. Does she smell like shit, Trixie? I love you. What are you doing? You think that girl smells like dog shit? Look at her face, Trixie. She's trying to knock the phone out of my hands. She don't think I should be holding something that looks like that. Do you, honey? What do you have to say to Cindy? She said you're a bitch. Anything else, Trixie? You don't know yet? You might give her one last message. What do you think what do you have to say about her? What now? She's a gun. Trixie. Okay, Trixie. God, me. You're me. You don't care. You want to tell Cindy she stinks? She said you stink.